All right, let's talk about panel for earnings, PANL. PANL for earnings. Let's go through the HIM Cribbit trading plan. Stock is currently trading at 28.25. The current stock is currently trading at 28.25. Over the last 8 quarters, the stock has sold off 18%, rallied 18%, down 10.3, down 9.6, up 0.7, up 22.6, and up 19.1. Okay, so every time it's moved a huge amount, and I see it's moved 20% on earnings 4 quarters. So I think this is a candidate for a call or put fly. Let's look at the at-the-money straddle. Expires in March, is right around $4.80. So and this is going to be panel. Panel's currently trading 28.25. The 28 straddle is $4.80.
It is a bad strategy. Look at Macy's, okay?
This is implying a 17.2% move, okay? I'm always going to have 2 quote-unquote measured move targets. Upside measured move target, 28 plus that 480, okay? This is going to give me 32.80. Downside measure move target, 28 minus 480. It's going to give me 23.20. Let's look at a trade setup. If I had to look at the chart in the chart only, is there a better chance it goes to 33 or is there a better chance it goes to 23? So PANL for earnings.
That's what the story is predicated on at this point. You're either a believer or you're not.
Well, Scotty, that's a good point. I mean, obviously, it's not necessarily earnings, but the fact
has sold off hard in the last couple days. Touched this trend line a couple of times.
If it's okay, guys, let me just ask Bob this, because Bob did point
Probably got a short interest. I'm going to buy a call fly on the measured move target. So I'm going to look at a call butterfly using that measured move target. I'm going to look at a call butterfly using the measured move target.
6 months ago, as Maria pointed out, what is the catalyst that you see? Is it that Amazon stops spending?
So let's bring up panel and let's look at my option montage. I'll walk you guys through this, how I look at these in the option montage.
Basically, it costs anymore. Is that the catalyst, Bob?
That's the catalyst. If they change their business model of
so this is panel, PANL for earnings. And I'm looking at it currently in Interactive Brokers.
Change their business model. They got to keep on spending. They're generating revenues, and people are taking their eyes off the football, and they're going to fumble. This
stock used to be $50. So we have a measured move target to the upside at 33. Okay, so let me look at a $3 wide call butterfly. Always selling the 33 strike, right? I want to sell the measured move target. So in panel, I'm going to look at the 30, 33, 36 call butterfly. A $3 butterfly. So option chain.
Guys, can I be in the moment for a minute? Can I be in the moment for a minute on this market?
Every trade is different. I always want to set up different setups. I don't know panel that well, but I'm looking at a call butterfly. So I put it in here. I want to buy the 30s. I want to sell twice many 33s, and I want to buy the 36s, okay? So this is the 30, 33, 36 call butterfly, a $3 wide call butterfly, and the market is 15 at 70. So let's say I buy 4 of these. Mid-market, 43. Let's say I'm going to pay 45. So I'm looking to pay 45. I just bid them. I have not got filled yet. So it went from 15.70 to 45 bid, right? So I'm bidding 45 cents on this call butterfly. I have not got filled yet. You can see my order being represented in the spread book in PANL. PANL.
Let me give you some answers to those questions. My time horizon is long term.
PANL.
As far as valuations, we know the PE of this market. We're still talking about reasonable PEs. What's the answer then?
So if your time horizon is 5
I'm 45 bid. I'm not going to raise my bid up. So this is buying.
Because I can guarantee you one thing,
Ooh.
which I bet you Bob will agree with me about. The Fed is not
buying
for another 5 to 10 years.
the PANL March 30, 33, 36 call butterfly for 45 cents. 43 was mid-market. I put a 45 bid. I didn't get filled. I'm going to offer, I'm going to bid it up to 50. I'm going to bid 50 cents for this. The stock is moving up a couple pennies. So I'm going to bid 50 cents for this. This will be my last bid. Because when I came in, I only had it worth less than that. So I'm bidding 50 cents right now in panel for earnings. So I'm going to bid 50 cents now. This is the same thing as buying the 30, 33 bull call spread to sell the 33, 36 bear call spread. Okay, so I did just get filled at 50 cents. I'm in this trade at 50 cents. I got filled at 50 cents in this spread. So I'm in this trade right now. I'm going to put this in notes. This is a new position. It's an opening position. I bought the panel March 30, 33, 36 call butterfly for 50 cents. All my earnings trades are very, very small. My earnings trades are way smaller than my unusual option activity trades because my earnings trades haven't been working as successfully as my other trades. Okay, so this is my 9th trade today. It gives me more time, more space. Gives me more space. As you look here, I'm selling the measured move target. Upside measured move target's 32.80. I always want to be selling the measured move target. Selling the measured move target. So I did get filled in panel. I'll show you guys my fill, and then I'll move on to the next trade. One more trade left. All my earnings trades are very, very much lighter than they have been in the past, because I haven't been trading earnings as well. Okay. So here's panel call fly, the 30, 33, 36 call fly. Where? What do you mean? They're located on Interactive Brokers. This is Interactive Brokers. So I'm in panel to the long side. Last trade for earnings. I'm going to put this in here. I can take gap off. Get that one off. Chesapeake. Last trade for earnings is going to be Monster. Monster is a monster. And I'm going to save this. Oh, they're under the Notes tab. Thank you, John. So if you guys go to the Notes tab, so all my trades are in the tab here, in the Notes tab. So 9 trades today. And the last trade will be for Monster, MNST. So let's talk about this one. Stock is currently trading at $49.93. On earnings, the stock has moved negative 1.3, negative 9.7, 9%, and 2.8%. The 50 straddle in March The 50 straddle in March is currently priced at $5.20, implying a 10.4% move. Stock has not moved 10.4% once. I saw puts being sold today. We have two measure move targets. 50 plus 520 is 55.20. Downside measure move target is going to be the 50 minus 520, which is going to be 44.80. Okay, now possible trade I want to put on. So let's bring up the MNST.
Welcome back. 2 days ago, we thought the much-anticipated pullback was beginning. A 200-point sell-off due to the Italian election.
So let me bring this up.
The Italian election still a mess.
And I saw some unusual option activity.
It's still political gridlock in Italy, and that drove the country's interest rates even higher today, pushing the 10-year yield.
So I saw paper selling some 47.5 puts in March. MNST. You know, one thing I think of my head, and let me look at the chart of this one real quick, is selling at the money straddle to buy a strangle in MNST. You know, it kind of sits in this range, okay?
He is among the talking dead. And finally, a diplomatic row in Europe over the situation here.
I just want to see where I could price this at. Selling the at the money straddle to buy a strangle in March. You know, $5 wide. If I can get $4 for it or something like that, then, you know, I think it's worth it. So I price it right here. It's around 530 minus 170. It's around 370.
No impact whatsoever today. As Art Cashin passed us some information as we head to the close on, you know, imbalances. Looks like a buy imbalance.
Yeah, not much stuff.
Have to see how all that
Okay, so my MNST, I'm going to do a condor again. I just don't think it's going to have that big of a movement. So I'm going to look to sell the 45-42 put spread. So selling a bull put spread and selling a bear call spread. Okay, so I'm looking to sell a put spread and buy a call and sell a call spread. Okay, I'll show you this one in a second. 55. So on this trade here, I want to sell the 55-57 call spread and also sell the 45-42 put spread. So I want to sell a call spread and sell a put spread in MNST. This is an iron condor for earnings. That can't be right. This is 40 cents and this is 40 cents. Wow, that does look right. Okay, I can't do it for 60 cents. I was thinking I could do it for like 80 cents. I don't know how it's offered at 75. So I was looking at selling a put spread and selling a call spread. I see paper looks like they sold some 47.5 puts. I'm not going to do anything in Monster. I guess the only thing I would do, it looks like paper sold a bunch of puts today, so I would sell a put spread. I don't want to set this trade. I don't want to take this trade, but I'll just put it in here for you guys. So the only trade I would personally put on is selling an out of the money put spread. So selling the 47.5 puts, okay, to buy the 45 puts. And from my point of view, the risk versus reward setup is not there. It is not there. But this is a trade I would put on. Selling the 47.5s to buy the 45s. $2.50 put spread. It's around 65 cents. I'm not taking this trade in Monster, but you know, you can call this a daily trading idea. Okay. Selling the MNST March 47.5, 45 bull put spread for 65 cents. On this trade, my risk would be $185 per one lot. You know, so I don't really think this is a good trade. That's why I'm not taking it. My reward would be 65. Just got filled on something. I was working. I just got filled on the shield call spread. So I'm in shield to the long side now. Just got filled on the shield call spread. Break even on this trade is 46.85.
Good to see you both. Thanks for joining us. Stephen, would you commit new capital to this market at this level?
Very little. I would dollar cost average, and I do recommend investors be very, very cautious.
Why?
You got to look at the economy. The economy is.
Let me just finish this trade real quick.
March. They're slowing down.
Make money.
In Europe. That's not going away. Our spending still
Stock flat,
it's already up 6.5%
up,
plus.
or down small.
Less than 2 months. The question I have is it real?
So this is MNST. I'm not taking a trade on this, but you know, it's a daily trading idea, I guess.
You could talk about Mr. Bernanke's fine performance, some better economic news. You could talk about the Fed backstopping
27/2013 MST Hem Cribbit trading plan.
and that is still the single most important factor in the market. The big issue everybody's talking about now is all the entry.
So that wraps up the afternoon session of daily trades for earnings. I got filled on shield, so I'll put that shield in here as well. And earnings have not been as successful as my unusual option activity, so I have not been on the sidelines a little bit, but these are some earnings trades. If you guys want to check out the trading room for a couple-day free trial, shoot me an email. I'll get you into the room for free. Andrew at KeenOnTheMark.com. Thanks, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this session.